Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best-sounding water fountains in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Glenville Water Pump Cascading Water Fountain. Along the same lines as the last fountain, this takes inspiration from an old style of water pump. The water flows from the pump spout through 2 wooden buckets to fall into the catch basin. Constructed of durable resin and fiberglass, it's built to be weatherproof. For this style, adding some river rock to the catch basin can help mosquito-proof the water a bit. It's easy to clean and maintain, too. This brings a homey aesthetic to the garden, or maybe a hint of bygone times. A country gardener may find this to be the perfect water feature in their space. Number 2. Our second best pick is Smart Solar 4-tier Solar Powered Cascading Fountain. Daytime garden lovers rejoice, there's a solar option for you. This glazed ceramic bowl structure spills water from surface to surface beautifully. It's powered by a small solar panel on a 10-foot cord, enabling you to keep the fountain in the shade if you prefer. Ceramic surfaces like this are extremely easy to keep clean. This outdoor fountain does need a flat surface for best use, and its weight requires some support. My only real complaint with this fountain is that its solar charger has no battery storage. As night falls, the fountain will lose power. But it's simple to pick up an electric pump if you'd like to convert it for nighttime use. Number 3. Our third best pick is Alpine 4-tier Cascading Tabletop Fountain. If your landscaping features stone, there's a small option for you. This fiberglass and resin fountain has a natural shale appearance, mimicking a waterfall. It's a beautiful centerpiece for a decorative table. But it'd be equally at home tucked into the side of a planter. At night, its LED lights enhance the water cascade, illuminating it well. It has a 3-liter capacity, which is pretty sizable for a fountain of this type. And the resin and fiberglass holds up well for outdoor conditions. I do recommend that if you incorporate this into a planter setting, you place it on top of a piece of level board. The pump performs best if it's level and well supported. But it's a nice, small addition to your patio or deck. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Timberland Outdoor Floor Water Fountain. Looking for water fountains with a bit of character? This one may fit the bill. More modern in style, this cast resin fountain features a cutaway surface. Cascading bowls inside the fountain pour water between them, zigzagging downward. A catch basin allows for the water to be collected and pumped back up again. Soft lights provide nighttime illumination to the water. While it's not bright, it creates a meditative appearance which looks great. The ovoid form helps to repel falling leaves nearby from the sides of the fountain. Alas, it doesn't repel ones falling directly on the top. People seeking a modernistic art influence will find this to be a perfect addition. Even those who have a more natural style may see this as a great showpiece. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Kenroy Home San Pablo Fountains. Trying to instill that Italian villa vibe into your outdoor space? Here's the perfect choice for you. This outdoor fountain is constructed of scratch-resistant resin. A dark bronze finish gives it the appearance of being old metal. Hung on the wall, this fountain can really lend some classical inspiration to your garden. At night, the LED lighting in the catch basin provides a soft, relaxing glow. And during the daytime, the fountain's classic features stand out. Be sure to secure this fountain well, as it's not a light piece. It weighs close to 17 pounds when empty, and water weight adds more to that. When properly hung, it adds a perfect touch of Italian-inspired architecture. And who doesn't want to bring their vacation destination home to enjoy it year-round? So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.